And if you're lucky enough to find the right person, like both of you have, your partner will be one of those people who helps you do this. We encourage you to grow and reach your potential. I have seen Kelly and Nick over the past few years. They are very supportive of each other. They know how to communicate and how to make each other laugh. But most importantly, how to listen. Nick needs to listen in that one. Kelly asked me to mention that, Nick. My biggest piece of advice for you two is to take these parts of your relationship and continue to nurture them throughout your marriage. Keep finding new ways to fall in love with each other throughout the quiet moments, the milestones, and even the challenge, which is the hard part. Remember, love is not something that just happens. It's something you actively choose every day. And Carolyn, Ryan and I officially welcome Nick to our family. Welcome. Thank you.
Kelly and Nicholas, today is the beginning of your next chapter, and this day is made possible not only because of your love for each other, but through the love and support of your family and friends. To make your relationship work will take love. This is the core of your marriage. That's why we are all here today. It will take trust to know that in your hearts, you truly want what is best for each other. It will take dedication to stay open to one another and to learn to grow together.
Nick, you are my best friend, my greatest gift, and the love I never knew I was missing. But most importantly, you are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could ever imagine, and more love than I ever thought possible. I promise to stand by you not just today, but not just in the sunshine, but every storm we face. I promise to listen with compassion, speak with honesty, and love you with everything I have. I will be your partner in adventure, your comfort in sorrow, and your greatest cheerleader in all that you do. I vow to support your dreams and build new ones together. You have made me a better person, as our love for one another is reflected in the way I live my life. You have given me the greatest gift of all, making me a mum. There is not a day that goes by that I'm not grateful for your love. You're my love and my forever. I'm truly blessed to be a part of your life, which as of today becomes our life together.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say.
Speaking of family, now we move on to two other special parts of today. To start, we have Imogen, Nick's first pride, who spent today by her stepmum's side. A gift for Nick from high above, and for Kelly, another daughter to love. In 2018 came little Jordan. Very early at pounds of just 4, she came out fighting, is sassy and clever, another daughter for them to adore. This brings us here today where we watch those special two, so raise your glasses as the Christides say I do. Here's to your future, you've knocked it for 6. We wish you all the best, Kelly and Nick.
When you ring my bell, you're a mystery, you're from outer space.
You have given me life when I thought there was none. I'm so in love with you because you are the one. Through every joy and tear we've cried, you stood by me, right by my side. Together I feel we make a team, built on hope, on trust, on a dream. I'll learn your wishes, feel your fears, hold your laughter and catch your tears. I'll seek to understand your soul, and in your joy I'll find my goal. When shadows fall and light feels thin, I'll be the strength you hold within. And when you rise, as rise you will, I'll cheer you on, heart warm and still. Through every step, be near or far, I'll follow you, my shining star. For in your eyes I've come to see a place called home. where I'm meant to be. Thank you for being here by my side.
So la 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 la. So la 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 la.
You've been much more than just a cousin or a friend to me. You've been my brother, a confidant and a constant source of support. I've watched you grow, and some might say have matured over the last 50 or so years, facing challenges head on and always coming out on the stronger side. But it wasn't until you've met Kelly that I saw you truly come alive. Kel, you have been such a blessing in Nick's life. Your love, compassion has brought the best out in him, and I've never seen him happier than when he is by your side. The way you both look at each other, the way you support and care each other is a testament to the love you have for each other. As you start this new chapter in your lives, I want you to know that I'll always be there, unwavering. You've been there for me through thick and thin and through many hard times. I promise to always be here for you, Nick and Kel, and of course the two beautiful girls, Imogen and Jordan. May your love for each other grow stronger with every passing day. May you find comfort in each other's embrace, laughter in each other's jokes, and strength in each other's presence.
I'm just privileged to be here and amongst great people, and I never thought I'd make another friend like Chico. After 20 years old, not many people like me. For me, just to make a friend like Nick and Kelly, I'm really honoured, and thanks for everything. And let's have a great night. Thanks. Cheers.
Whispered love's calming thread, the space.
Kelly, with this ring I ask you to be my wife. Where you are, I am too. Today I marry you with all that I have and all that I am. Whenever you see this ring, think of me and remember that I love you always. Do you accept this ring as a symbol of my love?
I do.
You're always on my mind, always on my mind, always on my mind.
Nicholas, with this ring, I ask you to be my husband. I vow to be completely yours forever. Where you are, I am too. Whenever you see this ring, think of me and remember this moment that we have created here today. Do you accept this ring as a symbol of my love?
I do.
This burning light, it's all I am. And with these words, a steady glow, I will try to bring you home. You're always on my mind, always on my mind.
Kelly and Nicholas, today is the beginning of your next chapter, and this day is made possible not only because of your love for each other, but through the love and support of your family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the newlyweds, and make some noise for Mr. and Mrs. Christidis!